I was going to film this earlier this week, but it's been raining here in Long Beach. I waited a few days until the rain cleared up. This is the slat bed I made for my van. On my old van that I sold, I built the bed lengthwise and it expanded widthwise, the length of the van. This one, I actually made it fixed on the widthwise and then I expanded it out forward. So the entire length of it is roughly 45 wide, 71 inches when it's in full extended bed mode. So what did I build this with? Well, I basically used pretty much the same that you've probably seen in all the other videos. I just used 1x2s attached with screws, and then the extenders, they're attached with screws but with a little washer in between that and the sliding rail, so it'll actually slide. Super straightforward. It didn't take long to build and it was pretty inexpensive. I mean, the 1x2s cost next to nothing. So there's not a ton of room in Astra vans in general, so having a collapsible or an expandable bed is kind of a game changer and gives out more space. So I'm 5'11", sleeping this way is no bueno. That isn't gonna work. So I gotta go lengthwise. I wanted to have this fixed wide because I put two cabinets in the back. I had one cabinet that was going to be storing my surfboards and another one that had a pull-out kind of, I guess, kitchen kind of area that I'm going to put stove and cutlery and stuff like that. All right, that's the breakdown of my bed. I'll probably do another video when I get the reclining couch top put on it. Is it the best bed ever? No. Does it work for me? Yes. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.